concept. Actually, many students they are not understanding this concept. చాలా మంది పిల్లలు ఈ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడం చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడుతూ ఉన్నారు. కారణం ఏంటంటే ఇది సింపులే కానీ అర్థం కావడం కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బంది పడతా ఉన్నారు. You know, if you had a long journey, suppose if you had a long journey from Hyderabad to Visakhapatnam in bus లో వెళ్తా ఉన్నారు. ఎక్కడి నుంచి? హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వైజాగ్, విశాఖపట్నం. ఇట్స్ a long journey. So when you go there and you observe what when you are getting out of the bus and your feet become what somewhat tight, your legs become what swollen. Normally young people they are not getting, they won't experience this type of swollen legs, but old people, aged people, they get the sensation of what swollen, they get what swollen legs. మామూలుగా ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వైజాగ్ పోతే విశాఖపట్నం పోతే మనం వైజాగ్లో దిగినప్పుడు బస్సు నుంచి కాళ్ళు చూస్తే కొద్దిగా లావ్ అవుతుంది, ఉడుకుంటే మీరు చూసుకుంటే కాళ్ళు కొద్దిగా ఉడుకుంటే. అదే పెద్దవాళ్ళకైతే ఇంకా ఎక్కువ బుద్ధి. కారణం ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ది రీజన్? అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఏ కండిషన్, దట్ కండిషన్ is called edema. That is called edema. So legs are swollen due to accumulation of what lymph in the feet, that is called edema. Or sometimes accumulation of what also takes place in hands also swollen and legs also swollen, and that condition is called edema. What is edema? Two more questions. Edema means here lymph is accumulated in the lymphatic system or lymphatic vessels, especially in the legs, feet, and then by it cause what swollen legs, and that condition is called edema. That is called edema. Now I am telling what is lymphatic system. You know, this is heart. It is gunde, and this heart is pumping blood to the body part. Actually, these are not blood vessels. Actually, this good diagram is done by Narayana. Very good, excellent diagram. So this is not blood system, blood vessel system. These are not arteries, and these are not veins, and they are not carrying blood. And these are the vessels, and these vessels are carrying what? Lymph, colorless fluid. Now I am telling where does this colorless fluid is we observe. This colorless fluid ante enti cheptaranడి జాగ్రత్త. So when heart is pumping organ, it pushes the blood to the body part. It pushes the blood to the body part. When it contracts and relaxes, heartbeat make the blood to flow from heart to body part. So here it carrying blood to the body part. I am drawing this one. This is artery. This is artery. Artery they carry blood from heart to body part. So it is carrying what blood? Arteries they carry what blood? Oxygen blood. Systemic aorta carries what? Oxygen blood. And it is carrying what? Oxygen blood. And this blood consists of what? Glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, water, minerals, vitamins, like that many are present. And all these are carried to the what? Tissues. A group of cells are tissue. And finally they may carry to the cell. So these arteries they are passing through the tissues. It divides into redivides into small branches, hair-like structure. అది బాగా విడిపోయి మన హెయిర్ లాగా అంత సన్నగా అవుతాయి. So they are blood capillaries are one cell thick. They are made up of muscle. One cell thick. And here you see when blood flows through the blood capillaries. So here some of the fluid material from the blood capillaries flows out, oozes out. ఇక్కడ నుంచి బయటకు వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఇటు నుంచి బయటకు వస్తుంది. And this fluid is called tissue fluid. This fluid is called tissue fluid. It is present between the tissues. So it is called tissue fluid. It is colorless. Red blood cells are absent. It is colorless. And this tissue fluid should flow into the cells. Why? Tissue tissue fluid is flowing into the cell? What is the reason? ఎందుకు tissue fluid cells లో పోవాలి? దీంట్లో ఏమున్నాయి? What are present in tissue fluid? Nutrients. Cells are required for nutrients. Glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, like that many are present. They should go into the cells for metabolic activities. And finally, after metabolic activities, cells are releasing what? So here from cells, what are going out? Waste. Waste like urea, uric acid, creatinine. Next, excess of water, carbon dioxide. They goes out of the cell. So this tissue fluid is giving what? Nutrients and also oxygen to the cell, and from the cell, water coming out, carbon dioxide waste are coming to the cell. Like that, you see exchange of nutrients and exchange of waste will take place through plasma membrane. And this fluid is called tissue fluid. Tissue fluid is also called as lymph. Tissue fluid is also called as lymph. So this fluid is tissue fluid, which is present between the tissues. It is giving what nutrient to the cell, and cells are what releasing producing what waste. It is giving and also taking what nutrients also waste, and it is colorless. And that colorless fluid is called tissue fluid. And the tissue fluid is called as lymph. Tissue fluid is also called lymph. It is colorless. And this tissue fluid, some tissue fluid is carried by means of what? Veins. Veins. So some amount of tissue fluid is carried by means of veins or venules. And all venules they combine together from venous system. But most of the tissue fluid is present here, and that tissue fluid is carried by means of formation of another system that is called lymphatic system. And most of the lymph is carried by means of what system? Lymphatic system. And this lymphatic system carries what? Only lymph, but not blood. With what? Waste. It is having waste materials. And this with water. It is colorless. And this lymphatic system is once again carried all these lymph. And finally, a big system that lymphatic vessels they open to this what? Venous system. And here you see precaval vein and postcaval vein. And finally, and this open to the venous system, and venous this vein they open to the heart to lungs, lungs to heart to body parts to next you see cell, tissue and tissue fluid. Again, this is tissue fluid carried by means of what? Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system open to the venous system. Venous system open to the heart pump blood to the lungs to heart to body parts. And this fluid is called tissue fluid and supplying nutrient and takes receives waste. Again, carried by means of what? Formation of lymphatic system. And lymphatic system open to the venous system. Venous system open to the heart to lungs to heart to body parts. Like that you see what? Flow of fluid, flow of what? Liquid material from heart to body part to heart. And the separate system is present for the what? Collection of what? Lymph. And this system is called lymphatic system. And lymphatic system is parallel to venous system. So this is venous system. It is carrying what? Deoxyribonucleic. And it is what? Lymphatic system. This is what? Lymphatic system. This is what? Venous system. And both of them are parallel. రెండు రైలు కట్టలు ఉంటాయి, రైలు ఉంటాయి కదా, రైలు అట్లా అనమాట. It is carrying what? Veins carrying what? Deoxyribonucleic. It is carrying what? Lymph. Listen. It is carrying deoxyribonucleic. And lymphatic system is carrying what? Lymph. And finally, both this lymphatic system open to venous system. So it is open to venous system. Finally, this is what venous system. Venous system open to the heart to lungs to heart to body part. So lymphatic system is parallel to venous system. Kalpana, lymphatic system is parallel to venous system. They go side by side. This is venous system. This is lymphatic system. In lymph body present, colorless fluid is present, no blood, no RBC. It is colorless. So that is the reason you see these are colorless. These are the what vessels, and these vessels are called as lymphatic vessels. That is brief description about what? Lymphatic system. Then how lymph is carried to the heart? Mari lymph అనేది heart కి ఎలా పోదురా? ఎలా పోది? So here what are the muscles are there? These are muscles. These are muscles. These are muscles. So we used to move our muscles. We used to move our hand. And here these muscles they are attached to the what? Skeleton. And this skeletal muscle they act as pump. Aven chestha itla anamata. Ila ante so they act as pump and this pumping activity makes the lymph to flow through the lymphatic system. And lymphatic system consists of what? Valves. Valves are present here. Valves are present. And venous system is also having valves. Venous system and lymphatic system consists of valves. Valves are present in venous system. Valves are present in lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is parallel to venous system. And parallel lymphatic system, lymph open to the lymphatic system open to the venous system. And venous system they open to the heart. Heart to lungs, lungs to heart. Like that you see, there is flow of fluid material through the body, through the blood vessels and also lymphatic vessels. So this system is called lymphatic system. In Latin, lymph is colorless. Water. Water is colorless. It is also colorless. It is a opposite of what? Opposite. And lymph is a fluid material, liquid material. It is lymph is only having what? Liquid material. And blood is having what? Some solid material. Blood is a fluid which is having solid and liquid material. And lymph is having only liquid material but not solid particle. That is the difference between blood and lymph. Blood is a lymph. Blood is a fluid which is having solid liquid particle. Lymph is having only liquid particle. And the fluid portion that is formed after clotting of blood is called serum. రక్తం గడ్డగట్టిందా గడ్డగట్టిన తర్వాత కొడుస్తుందా తెల్లగా మన నీళ్ళు దాని అంతా serum. The liquid formed after clotting of blood is called serum. That is brief description regarding what? Lymphatic system. Page number 59 heading 60 diagram. This is diagram, lymphatic system diagram. Thank you children.